Hello! What animals can we find on a farm? Cow. C-O-W. Cow. Your turn. Can you spell cow? Did you know? Cows have best friends. Just like kids, cows have favorite buddies they love to spend time with. They even get sad when they're separated. Pig. P-I-G. Pig. Now spell pig. Did you know? Pigs talk to each other. Pigs communicate using over 20 different sounds, from grunts to squeals to happy oinks. Horse. H-O-R-S-E. Horse. Now you try. Horse. Did you know? Horses can sleep standing up. They have special leg muscles that lock, so they can take naps without falling over. Chicken. C-H-I-C-K-E-N. Chicken. Spell chicken. Did you know? Chickens are tiny dinosaurs. Believe it or not, chickens are the closest living relatives of the T-Rex. Goat. G-O-A-T. Goat. Now spell goat. Did you know? Goats are great climbers. They can climb trees, steep hills, and even balance on tiny ledges like little mountain acrobats. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P. Sheep. Your turn. Spell sheep. Did you know? Sheep are super gentle and friendly. They are kind animals that love to be petted and will even wag their tails when happy. Turkey. T-U-R-K-E-Y. Turkey. Now spell turkey. Did you know? Male turkeys do a funny dance. They puff up their feathers, fan out their tails, and strut around to impress others. Alpaca. A-L-P-A-C-A. Alpaca. Now spell alpaca. Did you know? Alpacas are related to camels. Even though they look fluffy and small, alpacas are part of the camel family, just without the humps. B. B. E. E. B. Now let's spell bee. Did you know? Bees do a happy dance. When a bee finds yummy flowers, it does a special waggle dance to tell its friends where to find them. Wow, that was so much fun. We learned so many cool things today. But don't forget, the adventure doesn't have to stop here. You can keep exploring, imagining, and asking big questions every day. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. If you had fun, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a new video. Until next time, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep having fun. Bye for now.